Do you want to know how you can link your MetaTrader 5 account to your Exness account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Financeable. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can link your MetaTrader 5 and Exness account. Go ahead and open your PC, go to the search bar and then search for MetaTrader 5 if you have already installed it. If you have not installed it, go ahead and search for MetaTrader 5 and install it. After you click on MetaTrader 5, this MetaTrader 5 option will open up. Go ahead and click on File, which is on the top left hand side of your screen, and click Open an Account. Go ahead and click on this box over here and then search for Exness. After that, go ahead and click Find Your Company. You can see that Exness will appear in a while. So go ahead and click Connect with existing trade account. Go ahead and write down your login password or your login ID, your password in this, and you can choose the server. So let me teach it to you once again. Open your MetaTrader file and go to File and click on Open an Account. You can see that if you search Exness over here, it will appear over here. Go ahead and tap on it, click Next, and then click on Connect with existing trade account. You can see that it has already loaded up the Exness server. So go ahead and write down your login ID in this box, your password, and then click Finish. This way you can link your MetaTrader 5 and your Exness account. I hope this video about how you can connect your MetaTrader 5 with your Exness account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.